Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So as you may notice, we're in a bit of a different spot right now, and that's because we're in front of my closet. So we're actually in our bedroom right now. Between the camera and me is our bed, and my closet's over here. My husband uses the closet in our other bedroom. We have a 2-bedroom apartment, and the other bedroom is where you normally see me filming because that's our office slash my filming room. I wanted to organize and clean out my closet a little bit, and I thought I'd bring you guys along because I realized that one of my favorite videos on YouTube to watch are like closet clean out, like organization videos, and so I thought I would see if you guys like them as well. So we'll preface this with, I try to keep a pretty pared down closet. I mean, I have a lot of clothes, but I try and go through pretty often and kind of sort through what I like and what I don't like. Anything that I decide to get rid of, I will either donate or recycle if it's in really poor condition. So those are kind of the two categories. Granted, right now, I'm not going to really be taking anything to be recycled or donated. I will make a pile, and when I can actually go out into the world again, then I will do that. But I figured while I was home, I just wanted to kind of sort and organize my closet a bit. So I'll bring you guys along. I'm not entirely sure how we're gonna do this. I'm just gonna start digging into it, and you guys can follow along with me. For a quick breakdown of my closet, I can't get you any closer so you can't really see into my closet, but it goes pretty deep. It goes to about over here. And I have my dresses and skirts on this side. Up top here, I have sweaters, as you can see, and then down here, I have like blouses and tops. And then I have like jeans and stuff folded here, which this whole area is one big mess. I really need to like reorganize this and sort through this. But let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with some of my flannel lined jeans. If you guys don't know, I'm originally from Florida and I now live in Boston. One of the best clothing items I've ever bought are flannel lined jeans. This pair I have here is from Eddie Bauer, and as you can see, they're jeans and they have an actual flannel lining. If you are always cold, I highly recommend getting some of these. They're not the like cutest or most fashionable, but they really work to keep you warm. Though, granted, we are now moving into spring and summer, so I'm not going to be needing these. So I'm going to take my flannel lined jeans and actually store them under my bed because I'm not going to be reaching for them again until next winter. Okay, I also have some fleece lined jeans. These I'm going to hold out because unfortunately it is still rather cold. They're not quite as warm as my flannel lined jeans, so because I'll probably keep reaching for these during the spring season. So I'm going to keep these out. So I've got a pair of Everlane jeans here. These are I actually don't know which cut these are. I think they're kind of skinny-ish jeans. They're like a black wash. I also have a pair of gray jeans. I've had these for ages. These are from the brand Joe's Jeans. And then I have one pair of distressed jeans. I only own one pair of distressed jeans just because I really only wear them on weekends. I don't wear them to work. I'll keep these 3 pairs of jeans together. Okay, and then here I have my denim jeans. Obviously I have on a pair right now. These are my Levi wedgie jeans, and honestly they're like my favorite pair of jeans. I in fact just bought a pair of black because I love them so much. I have another pair of Everlane jeans. These are the same ones I have in black. These are just in a lighter blue wash. I also have these ones here from Old Navy. They're kind of a cropped, like straight leg jean. They remind me of the wedgie cut, and they're honestly one of my favorite jeans as well. I also have a pair of the Old Navy Rockstar skinny jeans. So I'll keep these together. Okay, so I have a pair of kind of, I guess velvety pants in cranberry. These I'm also going to put with my flannel line jeans just because they're out of season and I'm not going to be wearing them right now. And I've got these two pairs of pants here. These are kind of like, I don't know exactly what to call them. They're like, there's pants, I guess they're pants. They're not jeans. And I got these from Lot. So these will go here. And then I've got my shorts, and these will go right there. Alright, and I think I will put my belts right here. Now I need to figure out where to put my folded t-shirts. Let's see. So this is looking a lot better. I did decide to get rid of a number of pairs of jeans, but unfortunately with jeans that have some sort of stretch to them, they kind of give out after a while, and there were just a few pairs of jeans that I wasn't loving anymore. So I decided to get rid of those. But overall it looks a lot better and it's much easier for me to find what I'm actually looking for at this point. So I'm going to move on to my sweaters. I'm not sure how many of these I'm going to get rid of, but I definitely want to get them kind of organized and sorted. Right now it's really hard for me to see a lot of things and find a lot of things. Okay, so that may not look a lot better, but I did decide to go through and get rid of some sweaters. There were also some that I need to work on and get the balls off of them with my sweater comb, so I need to do that with a couple of those. I pulled them aside to do that. Everybody's on their hanger, they're all pointing in the right direction. It's looking better from my perspective. It's a lot easier to actually see what's in here and find what I'm looking for. I do try and keep my stuff color coordinated. It's not exact. So now we're gonna move down here to my shirts and go through these and just kind of straighten them up, and then anything that I want to donate or get rid of, I will do that as well. Okay, I did find a few pieces I'm willing to part with, so that's good. I'm keeping everything cleared out and cleaned out. Let's move over here to the dresses and all of this. You can't really see back in here, but I'll grab things and pull them out for you. Alright, I've got a whole bunch of camis here that I need to sort through. So you can see there are a lot of them. So with my corduroys, same thing, because they're out of season. I'm going to also be packing these away until next winter. The skirt keeps falling off its hanger. We're gonna hope that this hanger holds onto it a bit better. I'm pulling out my dresses because I realized that I color coordinated my sweaters and my tops, but I had not done anything with my dresses and they were still very much a mess. So I'm gonna pull these all out, reorganize them, and then put them back in. I think how I'm going to do this is I'm going to sort my dresses into 3 different categories. The first is going to be like kind of more formal fancy dresses that I just don't wear very often because, to be honest, I don't go to many fancy things. I actually have a bridesmaid's dress that I wore to my sister-in-law's wedding way back in the back. It's actually a nice formal dress. We did get to pick our own dresses, and so I actually really like the one that I picked, and if I had something where I needed like a formal dress for, I would actually wear that. So that still hangs out in the back of my closet. And then I have some other kind of more fancy dresses. We'll put those back there. Then I think I will sort and put like kind of nice work dresses back in the next section. And then I think I'll put my more casual dresses in the front and kind of do it by color in that organization. I think that would make the most sense. So probably my most formal dresses are these 3. I have this red one here from H&M. This blue one here, I think it was from BB. Got it to wear actually to my own rehearsal dinner. So this is my rehearsal dinner dress. And then I also have this one here, which I think is from BCBG. I've had it since I was in college. Let's just put it that way. So these are gonna go in the back. And next I have these 4 dresses. None of these are really things that I would wear on a very often basis, very infrequent. So these are also going to go in the back. They're kind of a dressier style as well. Actually, I'm going to need to resort this a little bit. I'm going to have to put some of my maxi dresses back in the back because my laundry hamper is sitting down on the floor over here. So I think actually next I'm going to do like maxi midi length dresses. That way I can actually fit them, and then I think I'll just sort shorter dresses in the front. Oh, and also some jumpsuits too, because these are long as well. Okay, I also put my winter dresses back in the back because I realized that I'm also not going to be reaching for those right now. So those are going to go in the back with the formal dresses, then the midi and maxi dresses and long jumpsuits, and then we'll sort shorter dresses now. Okay, so I don't know if it looks a lot better to you, but it certainly looks a lot better and is a lot more organized for me. I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's a little bit of a different video than what we typically do here, but I thought it might be enjoyable. So if you enjoyed this, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel so you can see more typically beauty and a little bit of sustainable living content. If you'd like to see more things like this, also let me know in the comment section down below and I can certainly do that for you. Because we didn't touch my coats. So that's like a whole other closet that needs to be sorted through and organized. I did find some things I'm going to donate, some things that are just not in great condition that I need to move on out of my closet. So if you enjoyed this, let me know. And once again, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!